we're gonna be checking out this kitchen. Who should we feed? I'm going like this one. What did you just say? Anyway. We could cook our stuff. Eat the carrot. Eat the carrot now. You know what? Oh, I can cook the carrot. You know what? We can add some wasabi on that. Wasabi. Maybe some hot sauce too. And whatever this is, and some lemon. Oh, that looks like the perfect one. Here, let me make you a drink. Can I make you drinks? I'm gonna make you a whatever this is. What is this thing? Ew. It was sabotage. Make it a little lighter. Darker. Add some lemons. And also. Alright. I think we sabotaged it enough. Drink it. Ooh, she did it. She swallowed it. She swallowed it. Yeah. Eat the cooked carrot. Oh, wait, that has what? I cooked a carrot. You know what? I'm gonna cook seafood for her. Oh wait, no, that's not how you just eat it. I need to drink it. Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna cook some seafood. So let's grab fishy wishy. Cook it up in the pan, fishy wishy. Alright, there's your fish. You can blow it down. I'm gonna grab the shrimp. Cook it up. Cook it up. There's your seafood. Now let's make a drink. We're gonna make it orange. Yeah, orange juice. No, give me orange. I'm making orange juice. That is not what the inside of an orange looks like, right? Oh. Alright, what do you want to do first? This? You want to try strawberry? Does it taste good? Yeah, I bet it does. You want a shrimp? Try the shrimp. Fishy wishy. That's it. Drink it. Oh wait, it's orange juice. Oh bro, I forgot. That's it. What should I make to torture her? Ooh, what about this lettuce? Okay, we're gonna grab this lettuce. First, we're gonna cook it up. We're gonna do everything possible to this lettuce. Give me the lettuce. Then we're gonna put it here. Okay. And we're gonna put the deep fryer, or not the deep fryer, fire. So it's nice and hot. Okay. Then we're gonna grab the lemon, put it in the oven. Close the oven. Cook it, cook it. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is put it right here. Add every ingredient. Your mouth is gonna be burning. You know what? Since you did that, I'm gonna cook. Is that an apple or a tomato? I'm gonna cook a tomato for you. I'm gonna fry it too. Now we're gonna grab the potato. Boom. Boom. Oh. Put it back on. Put it the way it was. Okay. Boom. Oh, I just sliced it in half. We're gonna make some fries for you. There you go. Okay, there's your fries. I need to cut off the lid. Okay, there's your homemade fries. I know they look good. We're gonna grab this watermelon and deep fry it too. Hey, Alright, I think that did it. I'm gonna grab it. We're gonna... No, create... Okay. Eat it. It's gonna taste horrible. Oh, right. How about we make her some old pasta soup? Ew. Oh, I bet that tastes disgusting. We're gonna sabotage her. That's good enough. We're gonna deep fry them once again. Make sure they're nice and crispy on the inside. And they're burning hot. Chill. And we're gonna cut up some not lemons. Onions for her. 1, 2. Then we're gonna grab the lemons. Take them to the deep fryer. Cook them. Okay, sweet bananas. What? Fine, try the onion. Ooh. What? Fine. Try a piece of a tomato. Try the tomato. Okay, yeah, that's it. I'm doing it with the fish, guys. Doing it with the fish. Oh, the fish just turned into fried chicken. Okay, we're gonna cut it. Cut the tail off. Ooh. 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 Alright, how about you try some... Oh, wait, I forgot sabotage. Oh, that's why she didn't like it, because we didn't put wasabi. Eat it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Eat more. How do you still like that? You know what? I'm mad at you. I'm doing this. Yeah, I know. You hate this, don't you? Deep fry it. Right now, we're just sabotage it. Now we're gonna grab some wasabi. Put it on. Eat it. She's gonna throw up. She's gonna spit in my face, isn't she? You want? Eat some broccoli. Eat some broccoli, bro. You deserve that. How about an octopus? Stop. Stop. You're just mean. Okay.
No.
Can you stop on you?
No.
Here, eat a raw tomato.
What?
You literally smiled at it. This carrot. This meat. I'm gonna put everything on it. Now eat everything. You have to. You have to eat everything. Eat all your food. this. And grab this, put it in there. Put it in the pan so we can cook it up. Okay, then after we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, then what we're gonna do is put it in the pan. Or not the pan, the pot. And last moment of truth. Wait, let it cool down. Okay. Moment of truth. Will she like it? Bob.